Hi students. So it's obviously from in the previous video we have actually discussed about the writing types and protocols for precis. So and obviously welcome to your favorite destination for education for all the competitive exams, SMS Digital Education, and I'm your English tutor. So today we are going to talk about your favorite task, and I think today's norm and today's obviously need of the hour, it's spoken English and its usage and what is actually like how we can adopt the things, and from the tip to the toe, how do you use spoken English to enhance the chances to uplift your careers in your life, obviously. So let's start. So first of all, spoken English, how to actually gain the confidence, how to actually gain the trust for yourself, for your own intellect, because like in spoken English you need to have the translucent things on your back, and at the same time you need to have some core thinking about how to speak. And first of all, you need to remember one thing, that there are many accents in this world, like Indian English accent, like American English accent, like British English accent. So first of all, you need to choose what should be your ethnicity, what should be your goal. Your goal is to learn, is to accumulate, is to articulate your thoughts through a language, and it's English. First of all, you don't need to take any kind of mental pressure, mental agony to learn a language, to learn how to speak in a language. And English, obviously, a simple lucid language, and it is quite easy, I think, to gain the things from the start. So first of all, these are the main precepts of that. And then I think daily usage of English in your day-to-day tasks, in your day-to-day conversations, like WhatsApp chats, like classroom debates, like friend-to-friend talk, and everything regarding that, I think would be quite useful to enhance the vocabs, the vocabularies, and through which you can easily upgrade yourself in your careers, in your fields, whatever it is. So simply, like I can easily tell you that English is one of the proficient languages, and obviously we should learn it by heart rather. So yes, and the thing is that whether you are trying to learn a new language or not, English is obviously you need to have in your brain, you need to have in your heart and all that. So like when you are trying to talk in English, when you are trying to convey in English anything, don't try to translate it from your mother tongue, don't try to translate it from your native language, or in your indigenous, or in your, like, from your mother tongue, actually I mean to say. So yes, it is that. And the thing is, like, how do you want to express yourself in a simple, easy, brief English? No rhetorics, no verbosal usage of grammar. No, I think first of all you should have to take all those things in order to speak freely. If you want to speak freely, then do not think much. Just you have to express yourself. Just you need to express with your own free motion. Let's go. You can do it, and you can do it by yourself all. Don't need to take pressure, do not be panic, and yes, go with the flow, go with the things. It's quite easy. And try to practice, try to articulate the thoughts, try to debate, try to think in English. And that's the ultimate thing. Think in English. Read books, write something, write a paragraph in English, write a thought in English, whatever it is, please write. And then you can easily learn, easily accumulate, easily enhance the thought-provoking speculations from your mind, and to form such a kind of mindset. So yes, obviously it is and the thing is, for the amateurs, for the beginners, it is obviously a tough task to handle, but you don't need to enforce yourself these things. First of all, take it easy. It is good, it is enough, it is quite coagulant. Don't need to panic. Just go with the flow, just practice it, practice hard, go hard, converse hard, and that is the only way. And obviously today, like many people do tell you that these things you should learn, this course you should take, and these are, but still you need to practice it yourself to master. Actually, at the end of the day, whatever you have learned through the things, you need to remember and practice every day, and that's the thing. So this is it. This is how you can speak better, you can learn better, and you can master the language, you can master the articulation better. So yes, and it is all it is. Thank you.